Alright, see this. 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of 16 liters wine and is then replaced with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. The amount of wine remaining is. So they are saying that there is a cask which is having 16 liters of wine. And now they, every time what they are trying to do is they will pull out 8 liters of this and then they will pour in 8 liters of water, right? And after you get the mixture, again they will pull out 8 liters of the mixture and again add 8 liters of water, right? So this is how they are replacing the mixture, initially the wine with water and later the mixtures whichever you are getting with water. And they are saying that they have initially done it one time and again they are repeating this for 3 more times. Then they are asking us what is the amount of wine remaining. So if you can remember the process that we did earlier, you go by that process. Otherwise, if you remember the formula, it will be easier, right? So in formula what we discussed is, if you are going to perform such kind of replacements n times, then the final amount of the pure wine remaining or whatever the initial pure liquid is x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. This is what we got. In this case, x is the initial amount of pure wine, right? So what is x given? It is given as 16 liters. Therefore x is 16 into 1 minus y is how much are you going to pull out of that and how much water are you going to replace every time. Now what is y here? Y is 8 because 8 liters are being drawn. So 8 and x we already know is 16 whole power n. N is the number of times you are doing it. They are saying that initially they done it once and then they are repeating it 3 times. Therefore overall they are doing it for 4 times. Therefore this is what is asked. So this will be the amount of wine remaining in the mixture if you are going to do this operation 4 times. Now what is it? It is 16 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power 4, which is going to be 1 liter, which means in the final mixture if you see it, it is going to contain 16 liters only, 16 liters of the mixture, but then out of all the 16 liters there will be only 1 liter of wine present, which means the concentration of wine by the end will be 1 by 16 of this. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. and these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.